Hi guys, I was thinking about my last video and I thought that it was kind of drab when I watched it again, you know, whatever. So I have my fabulous boa, which you might have seen. I always have it around my bedroom. Oh, tickles. I can't believe I didn't bring out the Purple Monkey puppet. She doesn't like to know that she's a puppet. Purple Monkey's been around for a while. She basically just helps me out. You know, she helps me out with sad times. Helps me out with anything that basically Daniel can't help with. He's a dork. And so am I. It's a purple monkey. I think it speaks for itself. Well, I hope you enjoyed Purple Monkey. She enjoyed you, right? Well, I certainly did. See? Bye!